Looking at our double-ended Panther mills. All the double-ended mills will be made out of the heavy-duty profile, which is the 45mm profile here. The rest of the Panther mill is pretty much the same. So for instance, this is a 60-inch Panther mill on a 72-inch double-ended GB bar. We will still be supplying the nose guard, even though you won't actually use that on these double-ended mills. We'll still supply that. So if we roll her over, see the fixing is still bolt on. You'll see you have a slot at each end of the bar. So if you look at the far end of the bar as well, you've got a slot where you fix it on, and that means that you can actually slide this in and out, and you can change how far the power head is away from the mill. And by having the power head slightly further away, you can then influence if there's any bar sag in the middle, and you can actually get the bar to flex up and down. We will be looking at other ways to address bar sag as well. So this end would be the nose end, and so you'll notice in the bar you have, at this end you've got two places to put in an auxiliary oiler kit, and on this end, I mean, if you had a chainsaw on this end you wouldn't need that, but if you wanted to have, you could have a helper handle with a sprocket and a roller, and then your oiler kit would go there. We will be supplying another chainsaw for the end if you want it, which I think is a better way. Even if you have the other chainsaw as a non-running chainsaw, the oil pump will still run and it will still lubricate the bar from the far end. It also acts as a bit of a counterweight, but obviously a little more weight is added to the setup. So there you go, there you have the double-ended Panther setup. It will go all the way up. We'll be doing these from 60-inch setups with a 72-inch bar all the way up to around about 98-inch setups, I think they are, with the 108-inch double-ended GB bar. You'll still have 3 cross braces and the usual tool magnets, etc, etc.